I'll start with what I'm saying to myself also all the time, reminding myself, because it's really easy to forget that the people that we design for we're still designing for people. Their brains didn't change. Their capacity for learning hasn't changed. To a degree, I think that it's different for neurodiverse people. I believe that their brain, and that's something else. I believe that probably this is completely me going off on one, but I believe that the neurodiverse mind is the mind of the future. So there's a reason why there's so many neurodiverse people. I really believe that they have the mind of the future. So, and I'm saying they like I'm not one. I'm definitely one, but I just don't know which one I am. But anyway, if I go back to your question, it's we are building still for people. We're building digital products in whatever tools we will use to build them, in whatever speed we will build them. We are still building for people. So that's something that always gives me hope and anchors me back in that. It's still important how people will interact with it. It is still important to that discovery part of it, the research part of it is still important. The testing of it, the understanding. If we want to design for people, and we are designing these things for people to consume, then that part is always still important. So what I would say then from that is make sure that you know how to do that. Make sure that you understand the different tools that can allow you to do that, because it's not about the tools to build something faster. It is about then, when you bring that to the market, to understand whether or not that thing that you built is of value. Is it being adopted? Can it be adopted more? Is there a market fit? And all of these things, all of the things that you need around it, these are the things that you will need to learn how to do, and how to use technology to help you to do that and to answer these questions quicker. But all of these are still relevant, and I believe that they will still be relevant.
So do you hold, that's a very hopeful answer, which is great.
Yeah.
So am I correct in taking from that you hold a great deal of hope for the future of the creative industries?
So, as I said, it depends on the day. There's days when it's just there's so many new tools and things move so rapidly that I don't feel like that every day. But I remind myself that every day, because I think that it will. So I do think that there is a hope for it, and I do think that it will. It's that we're going through some kind of a turbulence, really, really heavy ones. But at the end of it, there will still be a place for creative industries. So yes, I am hopeful actually, but just not every day in the same kind of way.